Hakarangi te maunga ko Pepeha App. Ko rai te whiwhia marae.
Pepeha!
Ko tāna ko Nordstrom ahau, ko mo te tautu maunga, ko Hukirangi Te Awa, ko... What is the next one? A Pepeha is a way in which we identify and connect with who we are and where we're from. And it's also a way in which we're able to identify and connect with other people and where they're from.
Pepeha!
Ko Hukirangi te maunga, ko Waiapu te awa, ko Harauta te waka, ko Tuatani te marae, ko Ngāti Prau te iwi, ko Vienna Nordstrom ahau.
So we have travelled all over the world, and what I've realised is nowhere else in the world can you go and say what maunga your grandmother grew up next to and what awa they swam in, and people might know who you are and where you're from. Ko mo te tautu maunga, ko Hukirangi Te Awa, ko mātātua te waka, ko tauhinari te marae, he uri a hungo Ngāti Hine, Ngāti Kahungungu ki Wairoa, rongo mai wahine me Waikato Tainui, ko tāni ko Nordstrom ahau. Some people just assume that you have to be Māori to have a pepeha, but really you don't. Everybody has their own version of a pepeha, and it's kind of getting them into that kind of thought process. Hey, who was those awesome people that raised me, that helped me become this awesome person?